Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. As I got some queries that you need some revision for Roman numerals again, so that's why I have prepared one more video on Roman numerals. So let's start. First of all, I want to recall that what are Roman numerals? Roman numerals are the numerals which are discovered, which are identified by Roman countries, and they are using 7 symbols for all the numbers. And what is Hindu-Arabic numerals? Hindu-Arabic numerals are the numerals which were discovered by India, and Arab countries spread them to other countries. That's why those are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. So our today's topic is Roman numerals. How many symbols they have used? 7. So their symbols are heading Roman numerals, and they are using only 7 symbols for writing all the numbers. Their first Roman symbol is I, second V, X, L, C, D, M. This you have to learn and keep in your memory, that how many letters are used for writing all the numerals? 7. Now, which number denotes I? 1. Which number denotes V? 5. X, it is the symbol of 10. It denotes 10 number. If L is written, it means it shows 50, the value 50. C, it shows the value 100. D denotes the value 500. And M in the last, it denotes the value 1000. M denotes 1000. So once again, how many symbols are there? 7 symbols. I denotes 1, V denotes 5, X is used for 10, L symbol is used for 50, C is used for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. But in your class 4, we will know no need to learn up to 1000. Here you will use in this class only the symbol up to 39 we will use it. So first of all, I am writing Roman numeral, and in the side Hindu Arabic numeral. Hindu Arabic ARA. There was not so much space, so C is not visible here. Hindu HINDU, Hindu Arabic ARABIC, Hindu Arabic numerals. Or you can say numbers. Now here Roman numerals or Roman numbers. First Hindu Arabic 1, and Roman numeral we are writing for 1 I. Then for 2 we are writing here 2 times I, 2I. For 3, 3 times I. Now for 4, you will say, ma'am, then we will write 4 times I. But no, this is wrong. There are some rules. In our previous class also clarify those, that I should never be repeated more than 3 times, and X is also the Roman numeral which is also not repeated more than 3 times. X means 10, so 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. But if we have to write 40, we can't write 4 times X. For 40 we can't write this one. Then you will ask, ma'am, then which symbol we will use for 50? I will clear you after few minutes. Okay. So first of all, you have seen that up to 3 we have used 3 times I. These are I. For 4 we have no symbol in Roman numeral and we can't use 4 times I. Then what we will use? We will write firstly 5. V means 5, and then its left side I. If any small Roman numeral is in the left side of greater numeral, it shows subtraction. It means that small numeral is subtracted from that greater one. Means if V is written here and its left side small I is written there, it means it shows 5 minus 1. So what become the value? 4. So you have to keep in mind that if there is any bigger Roman numeral and any Roman numeral written left side of it, it means that is subtracted. But if it is written in the right side, then what it represents? If any big Roman numeral is written here and smaller is written in the right side of it, what it shows? V means 5, I means 1, it shows addition. It means if right side any smaller numeral is there, it is added in the bigger numeral. So it becomes 6. For writing 6, we will write VI. Clear? So now we will complete our counting. 1 we have written, 1 for I, 2 for 2 times I, 3 times I, 4. Now I have cleared. Firstly we will write 5 and left side I. Okay. Then 5 का तो symbol है V. We are having the symbol I, V. X also we are having symbol. And then L50 symbol also, but in this class no need of L. So only these 3 symbols are needed in class 4 for writing up to 39, because in class 4 our syllabus is up to 39, or I can teach you up to 40. Up to 40 we will learn how to write in the Roman numeral. Then L is also required. So how many Roman numerals are required in this class? I, V, X and L. For writing 5 we have written. Now our next counting is 6. For 6, Roman numeral is V and its right side we will write I. I told you na that for adding we write the smaller Roman numeral in the right side. So V I 5 1, 6. It become 5 plus 1, 6. Then for 7, 5, 6, 7. VII. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. For 8, VIII. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8. Now comes our number 9. V and 4 times I. Can we write in this way? No. What mistake I have done? That Roman numeral never repeated more than thrice, more than 3 times. So we can't write 8 like this. So you will ask, ma'am, what we have to do? Then I will tell you, teacher, student, same rule which we have used for 4. 4 के लिए हमने क्या यूज़ किया था? Firstly, bigger Roman numeral and then its right side smaller. 5 minus 1, it become 4. Now for 9, we are not having any symbol, but for 10 we are having na. For 10 we are having x. It is 10. 10 से 1 subtract करेंगे, it will become 9. So we will write 1 here in the left side. We will write in the left side. So IX is the symbol for 9. IX is the symbol of 9. Then 10, so easy. X. This is the symbol of 10. So here we have written the counting up to 10. We have firstly written in the Hindu Arabic and then we have converted into Roman numeral. And what special thing we have done in this? For writing 4 and 9, we have written smaller numeral in the right side of bigger one. Means from bigger numeral we have subtracted the smaller one and thus we have find out Roman numeral for 4 and 5. Now we will start our next counting. 11. 11 you know very well. 11 becomes, firstly expand 11. 11 becomes by 10 plus 1. So what is the Roman numeral for 10? It is x plus 1 के लिए I. So x I. 10 and 1 11. So now it becomes 11. For 12, 12 become 10 plus 2. So firstly we will write the symbol for 10 x and then 2 times I. It become 12. Then next is 13. 13's expanded form is 10 plus 3. So 10 we use the symbol x. For 3, 3 times I. It become 13. Next 14. How can we write 14? 10 plus 4. For 10 we have used the symbol, Roman symbol x, but 4 we are not having any Roman numeral. But I told you how to write 4. 5 minus 1 I. So IV. IV is the symbol of 4. So how can we write 14? XIV. XIV. X is for 10. IV for 4. Clear? Now for 15. How we will write 15? Firstly its expanded value 10 plus 5. Oh, For 10 also we are having the symbol X, and for 5 also we are having V. So how we have written X, V. 16. 10 plus 6. For 6 we are not having the symbol, but expand this one also. 10 plus 5 plus 1. Now easily we are having all these Roman symbols for these values. For 10 X, for 5 V, for 1 I. So what is the Roman symbol for 16? X, V, I. Now 17. 10 plus 5 plus 2. We are having symbol for 10, for 5 also, but not for 2. So 2 again we will expand in 1 plus 1. Now easily we can write for 10 X, 5 V, and for 2 I. So symbol for 17 is X, V, I. X, V, I. 18. Breakup value expanded form 10 plus 8. For 8 we are not having any Roman numeral, so we will expand this. 10 plus 8 is made up of 5 plus 3. So 5 we are having symbol. Then 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how can we write the Roman numeral for this? For X, for 10 X, for 5 V, for 1 I, for this one I, for this one I. So 18 Roman symbol is X, V, I. X, V and 3 times I. X denotes 10, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now 19. 10 plus 9, and we can break up more expanded form of 9. 10 plus 5 plus 4. We are having Roman numeral for 10, for 5 also, but not having for 4, because we are having only 7 symbol, and from these symbols only we have to write all the counting. So 4 के लिए I told you what we have to write. Firstly 5 and then I in the left side. 5 minus 1, it become 4. So we will start writing here Roman numeral for 10 X, 5 V, for 4 I V. X V I V. This is the Roman numeral, Roman number for Hindu Arabic number 19. For number 19, this is the Roman numeral. Clear? 20. 20 expanded form is 10 plus 10. We are having symbol of numeral for 10 X, and for this 10 X. So for 20 we will write XX. 21 XX, 20 and I. 22, firstly 20, 10 and 10 20, then I. 23, 10, 20, I. X and 3 times I. 24, same way, 20 and 4. 4 we are having the Roman numeral. No particular Roman numeral is there, so how we will write? V and left side I. It become 4. 20 plus 4. So Roman numeral is XXI V. 25, so easy. Firstly 20 x x 20 and then v 25. Same way you can write 26, 20 plus 6. For 6 also we are not having symbol, but how can we write? Firstly write the expanded form of 26, 10 plus 10 20 plus 5 50, 25 plus 1. So for these all we are having the Roman numeral. For this 10 we will write x. For this 10 we will write one more x. For 5 we will use the symbol v, and for 1 we will use the symbol I. So it becomes x x v I. 27. Same way you can write 27. Now come on 29. How will you write 29? 10 plus 10 plus 9. 9 we are not having any Roman numeral. So what we will do? Firstly we will write 10 and minus 1. I x. I x. So it will become 10, 20 and 9. 20 and plus 9. So x x I x is for 29 and for 30. So easy. 3 times 10. So x x x 30. 31. Firstly 30, then I. Clear? 32. 30 2I. 33. Firstly 30, 3x and 3I. 34. Firstly 30 and then 4. I told you which symbol? 5 and minus 1. So I v. I v. 35. 3 times x and v. 36. For 36, how will you write? Firstly 30, 3 times x, then 6, expanded form of 6, 5 plus 1. Expand 6, 30, then 5 and then 1 6. So x x x v I. 37. 30 plus 7. 3 times x plus 7 is made up of 5 plus 2. So firstly 5 and then 2 times I. So it become x x x v I. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. 38. 3 times x v. 35, 36, 37, 38. For 39, again we are not having any symbol for 9. So what we will do? Firstly we will write 10 and subtract 1. I x. I told you that if any Roman numeral written in the left side of bigger one, then it is subtracted. So it shows 9. 39. In your class, Roman numerals counting is up to 39. I think this is clear to you. No doubt. Now you will do practice with the help of table. Here is Roman numeral in Hindu, Arabic number table is here. So for 1 they are using I, 2, 2I, 3, 3i, 4, firstly 5 and then right side I, left side I. Left side smaller numerals showing subtraction. So IV shows 4. 5 minus 1. For 5 we are using V. 6, right side I, 5 plus 1. 6. VII 7, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. 8 V and 3 times I. 9 we are not having symbol, but firstly we will write 10 and then we subtract 1 from it, so we will write IX. IX means 10, from this 10 1 is subtracted. 10 we are using symbol X. 11, 10 plus 1, so XI. 12, 10 plus 2, so firstly 10x and 2 times I. 13 x and 3 times I. 14 x, firstly write 15, 10 and 5 15 and subtract 1, x I v, it is 14. 15, 10 plus 5, expanded form of 15 is 10 plus 5, so x v. 16, firstly write 15 by writing x v, then write I, x v I. 15 and 1 16. 17 x v I. Firstly 10, then 5, then 2. So for not doing any mistake, what you have to keep in mind, that whenever you convert it into Roman numeral, firstly Hindu Arabic numbers, you will write them in expanded form. You will write their expanded form, then easily you can write in the Roman numeral form. So 10 plus 8, now break up 8. 8 for 8 we can break up 5 plus 3, because 5 we are having the symbol. Then for 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here we can write for 10 x, 5 v, I and I. X, v and 3 times I. 19, again we are not having symbol, but firstly break up this. Write in expanded form. 10 plus 9. 10 we are having the symbol. In 9, 9 is made up of 5 plus 4. 5 we are having the symbol. And for 4, we can't write 4 times I. So what else we can use? Firstly we will write 5 V and left side I. So what becomes? No, what I am telling you here? 19. We will not write in this way. For 19, what we will write? Firstly we write 20 and then we will subtract 1. So its breakup value is 10 plus 9, and for 9 we are not having symbol, but 10, for 10 we are having the symbol x, so we can write x, but it become 20. So what we put here before this x, we will write I. So 10 plus 9, it become 19. For 20, x, 2 times x. 21, 22 x 2, 23 x 3 times I. 24 x I v. Firstly 5, then subtract I from this. 25 x and v. So you have to revise this table learn the Roman symbols by revising this table. Okay, after this you are able, I'm sure that you will be able to do all the sums here on and on. Thank you, have a nice day.